1-minute challenge. Is political dynasty an issue of the 5th District? Ma'am Abing?
Political dynasty. It is really a known fact that Duranos really led the 5th District. So as far as political dynasty is concerned, it's really in existence. But political dynasty is not a question if the leaders are chosen by the people and they are performing will to deliver the best for the constituents. Political dynasty is only bad if those people chosen or the leaders within the dynasty are not performing well or they are abusive of their powers. But as I can see on the Duranos within the dynasty, they are performing well and good leaders and they are servant leaders.
Okay, thank you very much. Sir Froilan.
In real sense, I don't think there is dynasty because all our elected officials pass an election. They are voted by the people. The people were not forced, were not pinpointed by a gun to vote for them. They have voted on their own will. So if these guys were elected by the majority of the people, I think it's the voice of the people that has been heard and accepted by the majority. So it's not a question of dynasty. It's the question if these guys elected are performing their jobs and they are honest on their tasks. That's the main question here. It's not the family name who's been elected at the same time, the same family. It's the performance on the job that they have trusted by the people.
Okay, thank you very much. Sir Jimmy.
For me, ma'am, a dynasty is not an issue in 5th District, but rather I prepare it as a privilege no sa with the Duranos nga to reign no sa maong distrito because of course doon na may other person who are willing and gusto nga mo serbisyo but ang mga tao is they are already on their mind nga kisay ilang ang ayan nga pilion but for me I choose for the Bacod family, not just a dynasty. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Jimmy. Congressman Red.
Ma'am Burnett, at the end of the day, it's the people who decide who their elected officials are. And like myself, I went through every election with an opponent. So I'm just fortunate that I and my family still have the support and trust of the people. And I believe that's the key here, is do you have the trust and support of the people? Now, like I said in my opening statement earlier, we're sensitive to the needs of the people and we put their interests before us. That's why our family lasted this long, because we continue to have the trust, and each family member who is in office, they know for a fact that the position we have now is borrowed. It's not permanent. So we are accountable to the people and we are answerable to the people. So if you don't serve the people, then you don't have the right to be there. So that's all I have to say. I know a lot of people are throwing this against us, but for me, it's not an issue because what we are offering is a brand of service that is tried, tested, and trusted. So I don't think this is an issue in the 5th District of Cebu.
Thank you very much.